pre-hire test for commercial and industrial electricians includes several sections, each designed to assess different aspects of their knowledge and skills. Firstly, the Safety and Regulations section evaluates the understanding of essential safety protocols and regulations. This includes describing the lockout/tagout procedure and its importance in preventing accidents during maintenance or repair work. The lockout/tagout procedure ensures that machinery and equipment are properly isolated from energy sources before any work is performed, thereby protecting workers from potential hazards such as electrical shock or unexpected startup. Next, explain the difference between grounding and bonding. Grounding provides a path for fault current to flow back to the source, helping to trip over current protection devices like circuit breakers or fuses, while bonding ensures that all metallic parts are at the same electrical potential, reducing the risk of electric shock. Then, identify safety hazards commonly encountered in commercial and industrial settings. These hazards can include exposed wiring, wet locations, confined spaces, and working at heights. Understanding these hazards is crucial for preventing accidents and ensuring a safe working environment. Following this, discuss the principles of electrical safety, including proper use of personal protective equipment, or PPE, and tools. PPE includes items such as safety glasses, gloves, and arc flash suits, which protect workers from electrical hazards. Proper tool usage involves using the right tool for the job and ensuring that tools are in good working condition. Secondly, the electrical theory section assesses the fundamental principles of electricity. This includes calculating voltage, current, and resistance using Ohm's law. Ohm's law states that voltage equals current times resistance, or volts equals amps times ohms. This fundamental law is essential for understanding and analyzing electrical circuits. Following this, describe the operation of single-phase and three-phase power systems. Single-phase power is commonly used in residential applications, while three-phase power is used in commercial and industrial settings due to its efficiency in delivering power to heavy machinery and equipment. Then, explain the principles of magnetism and induction. Magnetism is the force exerted by magnets, while induction is the process by which a changing magnetic field induces a voltage in a nearby conductor. These principles are essential for understanding the operation of transformers, motors, and generators. Lastly, analyze electrical circuits to determine current flow and voltage drop. This involves using circuit analysis techniques such as Kirchhoff's laws and Thevenin's theorem to determine the behavior of electrical circuits. Thirdly, the installation and maintenance section evaluates the practical skills required for installing and maintaining electrical systems. This includes describing the types of electrical conduit and cable used in commercial and industrial applications. Common types of conduit include rigid metal conduit, or RMC, electrical metallic tubing, or INT, and flexible metal conduit, or FNC. Cables include types such as THHN, XHHW, and MC cable. Next, explain the proper installation of electrical devices such as switches, outlets, and transformers. This involves following the National Electrical Code, or NEC, and local codes to ensure that devices are installed safely and correctly. Then, demonstrate proficiency in reading and interpreting electrical blueprints and schematics. Electrical blueprints and schematics provide detailed information about the layout and wiring of electrical systems, and the ability to interpret them is essential for electricians. Finally, identify common electrical maintenance procedures, including troubleshooting and repair. This involves using diagnostic tools and techniques to identify and resolve electrical problems, such as shorts, opens, and ground faults. Fourthly, the tools and equipment section assesses familiarity with various electrical tools and equipment. This includes identifying and describing the use of various electrical tools such as multimeters, voltmeters, and wire strippers. Multimeters are used to measure voltage, current, and resistance, while voltmeters are used to measure voltage, and wire strippers are used to remove insulation from wires. Following this, demonstrate proficiency in the use of power tools, such as drills and saws. Power tools are essential for installing and maintaining electrical systems, and the ability to use them safely and effectively is crucial. Lastly, explain the importance of proper tool maintenance and safety. Proper tool maintenance ensures that tools are in good working condition and safe to use, while safety precautions prevent accidents and injuries. Fifthly, the problem-solving and critical thinking section evaluates the ability to analyze and solve electrical problems. This includes providing a step-by-step approach to troubleshooting electrical problems. This approach typically involves gathering information, identifying the problem, developing a plan, implementing the plan, and evaluating the results. Next, analyze electrical systems to identify potential hazards and recommend solutions. This involves using knowledge of electrical theory and safety to identify potential hazards such as overloaded circuits, improper grounding, and exposed wiring, and then recommending solutions to mitigate these hazards. Finally, demonstrate the ability to read, interpret, and apply technical documentation. Technical documentation includes manuals, specifications, and codes, and the ability to understand and apply this information is essential for electricians. Sixthly, the communication and teamwork section assesses the ability to communicate effectively and work as part of a team. This includes describing the importance of clear communication and teamwork in electrical work. Clear communication ensures that everyone is on the same page and reduces the risk of misunderstandings, while teamwork allows electricians to work together efficiently and effectively. Following this, explain how to effectively communicate with clients, colleagues, and supervisors. This involves active listening, clear and concise language, and respect for others' opinions. Lastly, discuss the principles of workplace safety and hazard reporting. Workplace safety involves following safety protocols and procedures to prevent accidents and injuries, while hazard reporting involves identifying and reporting potential hazards to supervisors or safety personnel. The scoring rubric provides guidelines for evaluating the candidate's performance on the test. Each question is worth a specific number of points, and candidates who answer all questions correctly will have a perfect score. Candidates who demonstrate a strong understanding of the subject matter will receive a high score, while candidates who struggle to answer questions or show a lack of knowledge will receive a lower score. The passing score for the test will be determined by the specific requirements of the role in the company. Hiring managers may adjust the passing score based on the number of candidates and the level of experience required. NEC Table 310.16 provides opacities for conductors. NEC Table 250.122 provides the minimum size of equipment grounding conductors for grounding raceway and equipment.